We're going to test the hybrid battery using this VPeak Bluetooth OBD2 adapter and the Torque Pro app on an Android phone. First thing you're going to do is plug the adapter into the OBD2 connector, which is just down here, right of the steering wheel, at the bottom, down by the gas pedals. You look down under here, it's right there. As you can see it, the adapter only fits one way. Push the adapter in, the light comes on, it's ready to go. Plug your key in, push the brake, start the car. And the problem we're having is the red triangles coming on, and it's showing us the P0A80 code, which is the hybrid battery. Right now I have it cleared, but I'm going to show you using the Torque app. This is the Torque Pro, which costs money, but it's well worth it. I already have this set up for the Prius, so I'm going to show you. These are my two Prius screens, which shows you 14 blocks, which are, there's 2 cells per block on the battery that are connected together. So I'm going to show you how to charge the battery all the way up and then discharge the battery, and then we'll watch the voltages on these blocks to see what the values are and which cell, which block is setting off the code. We just went for a short drive and you can see our battery temps here. 1, 2, 3. We're between 86.6 and 90.2. So the battery's a little warmer. It's shows that the air outside is 68 degrees. Okay, so the state of charge on our battery right now is 57.5%. So we're going to charge the battery as high as we can get it, and then we're going to discharge it, and as we're discharging, it should rate our values, the highest value it gets to on the charge for all the cells, and then the lowest value we get to as we discharge it, and we should be able to show which blocks are bad and what's setting off the red triangle. So in order to charge it, what we'll do is we'll put it in drive, put our foot on the brake, put it in drive, and then we're going to push the gas pedal all the way to the floor, and then we'll watch this high voltage state of charge and see what percentage we get up to. So as you push your gas pedal, your engine will rev up, and this is what's charging. Make sure everything's off. Your lights and your air conditioner, make sure it's off to charge this as high as we can get it. Should be somewhere around 75, 80%. Yeah, we're not even going to get to 75. Okay, our state of charge is around 48%. We're going to charge this up, see if we can get it around 75%, and then we'll discharge it to test the blocks. So you'll see me flipping between the screens back and forth, because these will only read as they're on the screen. So put your foot on the brake, make sure everything's off, the car's on, and put it in drive. Keep your foot pressed hard on the brake, and then push your gas pedal all the way to the floor, and then we'll watch this state of charge go up. What that does, it kicks on the engine, revs your engine, and you can see all of our blocks going up. 18, we're all around 18, 56% charge now. 60%, keep flipping back and forth to read the live data. You can hear the engine going down. We're at 68%, 69, 72.5, looks like 73%. Okay, and if you look at our highest value on each of these, on this screen we're 18.5 to 18.8 is how high the voltage got on these. On this set it's 19, 18.9 to 19. So now we're going to discharge the battery, and we're going to watch these voltages in this percentage, and we'll see which ones are weak and which ones are kicking on the red triangle. So to do that, we're going to put the car in reverse. We're going to turn on the lights, and we're going to turn on the AC, and you can watch our state of charge. And you can see our amps here. We want to keep our amps at below 7. So just adjust your lights, adjust your AC. Try to get the amps right here. 6.4. Try to keep that around 6.5 to 7. You can see all of our blocks are 16.5 to 16.6, 16.3. So we'll watch this one, 16.5. We're coming down at 6.6, 6.7 amps, 6.8. Just adjust your AC or lights to try to keep it around the 6.5. 64. You can see all these blocks were at 16.5, 16.4. We're at 63% state of charge. This one's 16.2, 16.1, 16.3. These two so far, this one so far. Block 13 is showing weakness fairly quick. These are all fairly close, 16.4, 16.3. State of charge is 61%. 16.1, 16.3, 16.4, 16.3, 16.4, 60%, 5.8 amps, 15.9, so that one's dropping faster than the rest. 16.1, 16.3, 15, it's the first one that hits below 15. Everything else is 16.1 to 16.3, 57%. We'll see how fast this one drops as the state of charge gets lower. 16.2, 16.1, this is 15.8, that's 16.1. Everything else 16.1, 16.2. There's a 16, that's 16.1, 15.6. This is way lower than all the rest. We're at 16, still in the 16s on the first 10 blocks. 15.6, still in the 16s. There's 15.9. So we'll watch this red triangle come on as it gets down around the 40%. 15.3, this is way lower. So this block 13 has weak cell, either one or two cells are weak. 15, see how fast this is dropping now. We're at 45%. Now this has dropped below 14. This is a whole volt lower than all the rest of these. Okay, so there's our test, and what we can see here, if you look at the highest values and lowest values on this first 10 blocks, our lowest value is 15.7, 15.5 right there on block 6. So the lowest value is 15.5 to 15.9. And then on this set of blocks, lowest value is 15.5 and the others are 15.6. So you look at block 13, we got to 13.6, which is showing that one or both of the cells in block 13 are bad.